Hi, today we're going to take a look at the Vivosun inline fan, the 6-inch version. Alright, as you can see, this fan comes with a 6-inch intake and outtake for mounting your aluminum ducting, also provided by Vivosun. This fan is wall mountable. All you have to do is screw it in using the provided wall mount. The plug comes with a ground for your safety. And there's a 3-speed switch with low, medium, and high. The fan's synthetic leather lining keeps it quiet and protects it from rusting, while the galvanized steel keeps it very sturdy and prevents corrosion. Now I'll demonstrate how to put in the wall mount. It's easy, just screw it in. Or you can set it on its base, just like that. There's your Vivosun inline fan.